If you're experiencing account sync issues in Rocket League, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you unlock your account and get back to playing. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to ensure there are no ongoing outages or maintenance that could be affecting account synchronization. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify your account. Log into your Rocket League account on the official website. Ensure that your account details are correct and that there are no alerts or notifications that require your attention. Step 4. Relink accounts. If you are using a console or a third-party service, unlink and then relink your account. This can help reset the connection and clear any sync problems. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Rocket League support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues and enjoy Rocket League without interruptions.